doing? Because I'm going to do a vlog. Yes, I'm doing a vlog. Because people are interested. Yeah.
Where to the train station?
Yeah.
Are you going to mute us?
I don't know. It might be funny to leave it on.
We're just looking at a building with scaffolding on it.
But that is the Huddersfield Hotel. It's a very important building.
You're not funny. I will make this unusable.
You won't.
I will.
Don't be mean. I'm not going to lie, it's absolutely freezing. We're waiting for our train. The train station is not as pretty on the inside as it is on the outside. I'll do you an outside look when we come home with some nice weeds if you fancy doing some gardening. So here we are arriving at Manchester Piccadilly, and some lovely soldiers outside. I really should know why they're there, but I don't. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts, and here's a lovely selection. Yum. Hopefully you can hear me over the music. This is the start of the markets, and every time you go to Manchester you'll always hear music in the streets. It's really lovely. All the stalls have got different things. I don't always buy anything, but it's just fun to look and it gets you in the Christmas spirit. It's always lovely. And here's a little Christmassy thing that I thought looked interesting. Maybe not. So here's some of the items on the stalls. There's lovely candles and some lovely Christmas tree ornaments, and the music's on again. He's back. And here I thought I was being a fancy vlogger, doing some videoing of some baubles. I think I failed. Time for a sit down and a spot of lunch. I'll share with you my only purchase of the day so far. I think it's really fun. So we're back to the stalls after lunch, having a good nosy round. There was far too much to film and a lot of people around. I was trying not to get loads of people in the shot. As you can see, I've been very successful. I don't think I'm very good at vlogging, but it's fun to try and it's fun to share where you've been and what you've seen and what you've done. And the Manchester Christmas markets are really fun and they are lovely, and it wasn't even that cold. And there's some gingerbread houses, and here's a freaky looking singing tree, so I'll let you enjoy him in peace.
You better watch, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, I mean the big fat man with the long white beard. He's coming to town.
So here we are back on the markets, trying to do a artsy kind of slowed down shot of all of the German food and beer venues. There's lots of bars. I didn't go any because I'm a good girl. And then of course you have got to go to Harvey Nicks. Some old bits of Manchester there. There's lots of history in this city, genuinely. Not much in the city centre, but there is lots and lots of history. And there's a quick scan of the square there with more Christmas stalls. And we're going to come to my favourite shop. Are you ready? Selfridges! Woohoo! I love Selfridges. I do think that they could have made a bit more of an effort with the tree, though. I'm not going to lie, it looks like the dog threw up on it. And that window display is a little bit poor, Selfridges. I'm sorry, but you could have done better. We got here then a Yorkshire pudding wrap. What? That is a blasphemy. It's disgraceful. Here's me failing miserably at being a fancy vlogger, trying to take artsy videos of the little waterfalls. I did my best, I'm just not very good, but there you go. And here we are back in Huddersfield, and this is our beautiful train station. It's absolutely stunning, we are lucky. And a quick pan around to St George's Square, which at one time was the heart of the town. And then it's time to go home, get a hot drink and put my feet up. I hope you've enjoyed this little trip to the Manchester Christmas markets. Bye for now.